Welcome to Porto, one of Europe's most enchanting cities. Join us on part 1 of our walking tour as we explore the historic soul of this Portuguese gem. We begin our journey at the São Bento railway station, a masterpiece of French Beaux-Arts architecture that serves as the gateway to the city. Inside, the walls are adorned with 20,000 azulejo tiles telling the vivid stories of Portugal's history and its royal heritage. Stepping out into the sunlight, we start our descent toward the river, feeling the vibrant energy of Porto's ancient streets. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Our path leads us upward toward the Sé Cathedral, the city's most significant religious landmark, perched on the highest hill. Founded in the 12th century, this fortress church has stood watch over Porto for over 800 years, blending Romanesque and Gothic styles. From this vantage point, you can see the sea of terracotta roofs that characterize the historic center, all leading down to the Douro. The cathedral's 14th century cloisters are a quiet sanctuary, lined with more exquisite tilework depicting the life of the Virgin Mary. Descending from the cathedral, we enter the Barreto neighborhood, a labyrinth of medieval alleys where time seems to have stood still. In these narrow passages, life is lived in the open air. The smell of fresh bread and the sound of fado music often drift through the stone corridors. Suddenly, the alleys open up to the Cais da Ribeira, the bustling quayside that is the heart and soul of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Once a commercial hub for spices and wine, the Ribeira is now a vibrant promenade filled with cafes, street performers, and stunning river views. At the center lies the Praça da Ribeira, where ancient fountains and modern sculptures coexist under the gaze of historic facades. We pass the Alminas da Ponte, a small shrine that memorializes the tragic collapse of the Bridge of Boats during the 19th century French invasion. Nearby stands the Church of St. Francis. While its exterior is modest Gothic, its interior hides a wealth beyond imagination. Inside, over 300 kilograms of gold leaf adorn the intricate wood carvings, a testament to the riches of Portugal's colonial era. Right next door is the Palácio da Bolsa, the 19th century stock exchange palace that showcases the city's commercial history. The crown jewel is the Arab Room, a masterpiece of Moorish revival design inspired by the Alhambra, sparkling with 18 kilograms of gold. As evening approaches, we make our way toward the most iconic silhouette in Porto, the Dom Luís the Bridge. Completed in 1886 by a student of Gustave Eiffel, this double-deck iron bridge is a marvel of engineering and the perfect spot for a view. From the upper deck, the entire city unfolds before you. It's a breathtaking sight that captures the true essence of Porto. That concludes part 1 of our walking tour. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cross the river to explore the famous wine cellars of Gaia. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.